Google Pixel 7a in all its glory. Beautiful, beautiful, bold, sexy device. Totally digging the color scheme. But coral, yeah, that is just gorgeous. The reviewing process begins early in the morning. I'm telling you, man, I got to get up really early. So I'm going to start using the smartphone and doing what I can to share information with all of you. For those of you that are on the line and bringing this device in, just know this. The deal as far as getting the buds, the case, that's going to end really soon. If you still need to know a lot more and you're a little hesitant, you're not on the line, you're a couple feet back from that line, then stay tuned. I'm going to give you as much as I can, and hopefully that helps. So yeah, the case, the buds, the 7a coral. Yeah, man, totally digging that color scheme. Totally digging it. Bam, fingerprint reader, working great. Look at that. Nice and fast. Yeah, that is really nice. Okay, everybody. I got to go to bed. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Leave a thumbs up if you dig this video. Stay safe and healthy. And with that, peace. I am out.